Google Cloud's managed service offering for Kubernetes is called Google Kubernetes Engine, or GKE. So why do people choose it? What if you've begun using Kubernetes in your environment, but the infrastructure has become too much of a burden for you to maintain? Is there anything within Google Cloud Platform that can help you? Absolutely, totally. That's going to be Google Kubernetes Engine, or GKE. GKE, let's talk about what it can do. It'll help you deploy, manage, and scale Kubernetes environments for your containerized applications on GCP. More specifically, GKE is a component of the GCP compute offerings. It makes it easy to bring your Kubernetes workloads into the cloud. GKE is fully managed, which means that you don't have to provision the underlying resources. GKE uses a container-optimized operating system. These operating systems are maintained by Google and are optimized to scale quickly and with a minimal resource footprint. The container-optimized OS will be discussed later on in this course. When you use GKE, you start by directing the service to instantiate a Kubernetes system for you. This system is called a cluster. GKE's auto upgrade feature can be enabled to ensure that your clusters are automatically upgraded with the latest and greatest version of Kubernetes. The virtual machines that host your containers inside of a GKE cluster are called nodes. If you enable GKE's auto repair feature, the service will automatically repair unhealthy nodes for you. It'll make periodic health checks on each node in the cluster. If a node is determined to be unhealthy and requires repair, GKE will drain the node. In other words, it'll cause its workloads to gracefully exit and then recreate that node. Just as Kubernetes supports scaling workloads, GKE supports scaling the cluster itself. GKE seamlessly integrates with Google Cloud's build and container registry. This allows you to automate deployment using private container images that you've securely stored in container registry. GKE also integrates with Google's identity and access management, which allows you to control access through the use of accounts and role permissions. Stackdriver is Google Cloud's system for monitoring and management for services, containers, applications, and infrastructure. GKE integrates with Stackdriver monitoring to help you understand your application's performance. GKE is integrated with Google Virtual Private Clouds, or VPCs, and makes use of GCP's networking features. And finally, the GCP console provides insights into GKE clusters and the resources, and allows you to view, inspect, and delete resources in those clusters. You might be aware that open source Kubernetes contains a dashboard, but it takes a lot of work to set it up securely. But the GCP console is a dashboard for your GKE clusters and workloads that you don't have to manage, and it's more powerful than the Kubernetes dashboard.